go out front? Let's go out front. Yeah, let's go out front. This is the dog. Where's my buddy? I know. We're going out front. Hey everybody, thought I was going to be able to do a motorcycle vlog, but turns out not so much. I bought the wrong stuff, so I have to get some more. But on the upside, guess what? I have a GoPro 8. That's right. So I'm just going to test her out and let you guys look around the yard and we'll see what we come up with. We're just going to do a nice short little video, okay? And by the way, this is my dog Thor. He loves the attention. If you watched my last video, you probably recognize this road right here. That's where I took my right with the Camaro to go to the airport. That was the house with the red Lugers. So I'm going to say this again. We'll be getting some motorcycle vlogs going here soon. Can't wait for that. That should be a lot of fun. Hopefully. Got to figure out my mic situation. I do have one of those Senecas on it. It does have a, I don't know what they call it, 3.5 millimeter amp plug-in. So I'm hoping I can use that to one of those GoPro cases, Pro cases or whatever, that has the boom mic and everything on it. It's also got the 3.5 millimeter. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, this is my pickup right there. Neighbor Sherry over there with the trailer. My boyfriend's in. That's my neighbor Eva. That's Dan Bob over there next to her with the blue light. These are the hamsters right across the street over here. And Jake, my neighbor's moving back, so I'll have somebody to ride crotch rockets with. That'll be exciting, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Should be fun. There's a little more of the dog. Here's a happy boy. He loves to sit out front here when I have a cigarette. That's nice. Alright guys, that's it. Like I said, short little video, and I appreciate it. Thank you. As always.